the garden, green and bright, lives an insect's family, what a sight. Creepy crawly, small and sweet, tiny friends beneath our feet. Ladybug red with spots so round, crawls so softly on the ground. Hello, hello, wave and play, busy bugs all through the day. Our garden's full, 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 insects family beautiful. Big and tiny, short and tall, little bugs, we love them all. Ants go marching one by one, working hard till day is done. Carry crumbs and say ho ho, teamwork helps the garden grow. Butterfly with wings so wide, flutters gently side to side. Colors dance in sunny air, nature's magic everywhere. Buzz, buzz, buzz the honeybee, making honey for you and me. Flowers smile as bees fly by, busy wings go zip, zip high. Spider spins a silken thread, building webs where dreams are spread. Careful, clever, strong and small, each bug has a job for all. Insects